What is a seller credit and how much is allowed? Seller credit is where the seller gives you a percentage of the purchase price to be paid towards your closing costs. So it reduces the money you need to bring to closing. If you're doing greater than 90% of your loan to value, it's 3% for a conventional loan. If you're doing 75.01% to 90%, you can get up to 6% of the purchase price as a credit. And anything greater than 25% down, you can get up to 9% of the purchase price. For FHA, the maximum seller credit is 6%, and that's on any property, and the down payment requirement is 3.5%. Again, seller credits will help pay down discount points to buy rate down. It pays closing costs, transfer stamps, etc. So I'm here for all your needs. While I do renovation lending, I also can do move-in ready. So if you're unsure if you want to buy a home that's move-in ready, or you might buy a fixer-upper, I can handle both for you. So please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips.